Today we are going to review everything we learned from day 1 to day 5. You already learned 50 Korean words, that's amazing progress. In this video, I will give you a small quiz. I will say the word in English and you try to remember the Korean word. Take your notebook and write your answers. Don't worry if you make mistakes, this is just practice. Okay, let's start the quiz. Okay, so how do you say house in Korean? The answer is chip. Did you get it? Our next quiz is how do you say friend in Korean? The answer is 친구. Did you get it? So our next question is how do you say water in Korean? The answer is 물. So our next question is how do you say today in Korean? The answer is 오늘. Good job! So our next question is what does 책 mean? The answer is book. Great job! The next question is what does 커피 mean? The answer is coffee. Great job! Okay, so our next question is what does 가족 mean? The answer is family. Good job! The next question is what does 지금 mean? The answer is now. Good. Our next question is what does 공부 mean? The answer is study. Great job! Okay, so our next question is what does 뭐 means? The answer is what? Good job! Okay, so our next question is what does 누구 mean? The answer is who? Great job! Okay, so our next question is what does 언제 means? 언제 mean when? Good job! Okay, so our next question is what does 먹다 mean? The answer is to eat. Our next question is what does 마시다 mean? The answer is to drink. Okay, so our next question is what does 가다 mean? The answer is to go. Okay, so our next question is what does 오다 mean? The answer is to come. Great. Our last question is what does 쉬다 mean? The answer is to rest. Yay! Great job, everyone. If you knew most of the answers, you're doing amazing. If you made some mistakes, that's completely okay. Just review the lessons again, keep practicing every day, and if you have any question, ask me in the comments.